Seeing if we gotta swap it. 9 times out of 10, we do gotta swap it though. We is gonna swap it because it's blown. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll start unscrewing it in a second. And get that motherfucker up on the jack. Feel me? Let's do it. About to get in that engine, unscrew it. Yes, sir. Good old impact. Hey, y'all got any questions, man? Tap into the comments, man. And we go live on Instagram every Sunday, man, with the bikes. Yeah, we're just unscrewing the engine.
Alright, them boys, cap this down, son.
Shit, I'm unscrewing the engine. It's really easy, simple. Anything you need help with, just ask in the comments. Leave a comment. Get back to you.
Alright, so
And that's what it looked like, gutted. Nothing in it. And that's the engine. Coolster 125. One more look without no engine. Bam. Engine. Feel me? Yeah. No, that's what just gotta wire it up. No. Feel me? Gutted. No engine. Full engine swap. Definitely gotta make sure it's in there though. You know? Make sure every screw you unscrew, you screw back in. You don't want it coming off when you ride. This is just low-key the hard part, but really the time-consuming part, you know.
Which one burn off?
This is a project. This ain't easy. This ain't easy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Can't keep you down. Yes, sir. I'm gonna show you what a running engine look like.